Good morning, children. So, last week we have studied till utility software. Okay, till page number 16. Today we will be continuing with page number 17, that is application software. Application softwares were designed for end users. It consists of a set of programs used to solve a particular problem of the user through a computer. Now, what is application software? Application software is designed for the end users. It consists of a set of programs used to solve a particular problem of the user through a computer. Now, if you have a problem regarding the set of programs and you want to resolve that problem, so it helps. Who helps? The application software is helping the user through the computer. Application software packages are widely used in educational, business and medicinal fields. These are used in where? Education, business and medicinal fields. Computer games are the most popular form of application software. Now, we all are using computer games. Especially you all children are using the games here. So in the games also this application software is there. Application software can further be divided in two categories. General purpose application software and specific purpose customized application software. Please underline this. Application software is further divided into two, that is general purpose application software and the specific purpose customized application software. These are the two. Now we will be studying about them in detail. First is general purpose software. General purpose application software includes application packages that are designed to carry out multiple common tasks such as word processing, image editing or spreadsheet manipulation. Like general is what? From the name only we can suggest that the general means the normal things which are such as the word processing, which we do the work in Word. Image editing, if you want to do something in the for any image, like for example you take an image, you want to crop that. So you will do the editing on that. For that you will be using the general purpose application software. And the spreadsheet manipulation. Spreadsheet manipulation is what? Spreadsheet manipulation is what? It is used in the higher classes. So maybe in class 7 you will be using this. The different types of general purpose application software are word processing software, presentation software, database software, spreadsheet software, desktop publishing software, multimedia. So these are the different kinds of software which we used in general purpose application software. Now next is word processing software. A word processing software is used to create and edit documents using text data and includes data formatting tools. It is generally used to create a content like poem, invitation letters, reports. Some examples of word processing software are MS Word, WordPad, OpenOffice, ORG Writer, etc. Now, already you have used this Word. Can you see this figure 2.7? Word already you have used. In Word what you can do? You can make your projects, you can make invitation letters, you can write poems, the question answers, many things you can do in Word. So this is the main example for this. Now come to the presentation software. The main purpose for this software is that it facilitates in the creation of presentation. Now presentation is what? Where we have to give some kind of presentation, like the office persons or the college going students are using mainly this one. It allows to add slides and use various formatting features like adding different types of backgrounds, different fonts, animations, audio, video, clip art and other graphics. This is what when we want to make the slideshow. automatically when you make this, automatically the slides are being there. In that the audio is there, the animations are there, different fonts are there, videos are there. So this is all about presentation software. Popular example of presentation tools are Microsoft PowerPoint and Impress Open Office. These are the two main where we can make this presentation software, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now turn the page. Come to the next page, that is page number 18. In this you can see this figure 2.8, presentation of a software. Here you have to write the title, then here the subtitle, and then you will proceed likewise in this. And here how many slides you have made, one by one it will be showed here. So this is the PowerPoint. We will be doing all this in the lab. Right now this is theory class, so I am just explaining. If you have understood, you can try it at your home from your desktops and laptops. Then come to the database software. Database is a collection of data. Please underline this. Why database is used? It is a collection of data. The purpose of this software is to organize and manage data. Why this is used? This purpose is to organize and manage data. The advantage of this software is that you can change the way data is stored and displayed. Here you can change the data the way you want to store it or you want to display it. MS Access and Oracle are some example of database software. Now, which are the example? You can see it here in figure 2.9. What are the examples here? That is Oracle and MS Office Access, that is 2007. A phone dictionary can be created using this type of software. Now, in a phone dictionary, I don't know you have seen or not, but a phone dictionary is what? There it is written the name, the address and the phone number of each and every one of a particular society. Then you can find out any phone number through the name or the address. So that is possible with where we can use it, where we can make it either in Oracle or you can make it in Microsoft Office Access. So today we will be learning till here, till page number 18 we have done. You please revise it and go through it till from the starting till ending till page number 18. From page number 19 we will be starting in the next video. Till then, thank you.